Hello everyone, welcome back to Web24 Tech. Today we are diving into super exciting topic Azure Data Factory. If you are a beginner and wondering what it is, you have come to the right place. By end of this video, you will understand the basics and ready to explore more advanced topic. So let's get started. First thing first, what exactly is Azure Data Factory or ADF for the short? Think about ADF as a data logistics service in the cloud. It's like the conveyor belt system in the factory. Imagine you have raw materials which are your data in different warehouses like file system, cloud or database, storage, anything. ADF helps you move these raw materials from the warehouses to a processing unit where they get transformed into the finished product. In the similar term, ADF helps you collect the data from various sources, transform into a useful format and load into destination system. This process is often related to as ETL, extract, transform and load. Well, let's put into an easy to understand example. Imagine you are making a fruit salad. What you need to get a fruit salad? You can get the fruits from different places, apples from the fridge, banana from the counter and berries from the freezer. Then you wash and chop them. The chopping things actually the transformation part. And finally, when you put them into a bowl ready to serve, that is the loading part. Azure Data Factory does something similar but with data. Clear, right? It's kind of that example. Now if you think about different activities which are the key concepts of ADF. First, pipelines. Second, activities. Third, datasets. Fourth, link services. Number one, pipeline. These are like the research. In our fruit salad example, the pipeline is a series of set of that defines how data is processed. The activities are it is specific actions like we are washing or chopping the fruits. Those are the actions. It will be happening inside the activities. So in ADF, activities can be data movement or data front transformation or control activities. Third one, dataset. Think about these are the ingredients list. They represent the data you want to use like apples, bananas, etc. And link services, these are like the stores or locations where you want to get your ingredients. In ADF, they define the connection information for the stores and destinations. I hope it is going to be clear a little more going forward when we are going to take into action for each things into upcoming videos. So what is the next step after understanding the basics? In our upcoming videos, we will dive deeper into setting up our first Azure Data Factory. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Of course, drop any questions if you have in the comment below. We will love to help you out. I'm going to create a playlist for Azure Data Factory and keep adding upcoming videos into that. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.